Hi everyone, welcome to CyberSox. Today we are going to make LED circuit. What? Yes, we are going to make LED circuit. But you think we already made the LED circuit. But this time we are going to make a LED circuit with switch because in home where there is a switch for turning on or off our bulb. So we are also going to connect our switch. In In circuits, electric switch looks like this. It has three pins, left, middle and right. Now I am going to show how will our circuit looks like in Tinkercad. Let's see. This is how our Tinkercad circuit looks like. Let's head to Tinkercad to make this circuit. As you can see, I already opened Tinkercad. Let's create a new circuit. Click on create circuits. Our dashboard is ready. First, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to place breadboard because in breadboard we make our circuits. Next, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to place the switch. Now what? After placing the breadboard, we are going to use slide switch. Yes. We are going to put slide switch middle pin in 3i and right pin in 2i and left pin in 4i. Now we are going to connect a wire from 3j to positive terminal. So click on 3j and then click on positive power rail. Now we are going to connect what? Yes, LED. We are going to connect the LED in 8F, anode in 8F, and cathode in 9F. Now we are going to connect LED to power rail. Now connect a wire from 9J to negative power rail. Now what? Remember what I said? To protect the LED we need a hero, which is our resistor. Now we are going to select our resistor and put its value 470 ohm. Now we are going to rotate it by clicking this rotate button. Now we are going to place this resistor in 8G and 4G. Where is 8G? This is 8G and this is 4G. Now what? Yes, power supply. We are going to connect positive to positive, negative to negative. Positive is here, negative is here. So we are going to invert our battery. Now positive is here. We are going to connect positive to positive power rail, negative to negative power rail. Now start the simulation. As you can see, our switch is on and LED is glowing. When we turn off the switch, the LED won't glow. Then turn on the switch, LED will glow. So from this we can see our circuit is working fine. This is how electricity flow in our circuit diagram. It goes from positive to this switch. When we slide the switch to left pin, its circuit will be connected because middle pin is left pin is connected to switch. So after that it goes from resistor and current will low and our LED will be protected, and after that it goes from LED to negative terminal and our circuit will be closed. So when we slide the switch to right side, circuit will be broken and LED won't be glow. Now we have seen our circuit in Tinkercad is working fine. Now we are going to implement this circuit in real life. Let's get started. These are the components we are going to use. This is power supply. This is jumper wire. This is switch. This is LED. And this is 470 ohm resistor. Now this is switch. We are going to place switch in right pin in 2i, middle pin in 3i and left pin in 4i. Yes. After placing the switch, what we are going to do? Yes, we connect a wire. We connect a wire from 3J to positive. After this, we are going to connect the LED. We are going to connect the LED in 8F and 9F. Anode in 8F and cathode in 9F. After this, we are going to connect a wire from 9J to negative. After placing this, yes, we are going to place our resistor from 8G to 4G. 8G is here and 4G is here. Now connect our battery, red in positive and black in negative, because we need power supply to glow our LED. Let's turn the switch on. As you can see, when we turn the switch on, our LED is glowing. And after we turn the switch off, our LED don't glow. Let's turn the switch on. LED is glowing. Let's turn the switch off. LED is not glowing. So from this we can see our circuit is working fine.